Are you ready to learn the famous A minor pentatonic scale? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down step by step, and I'll even show you a fun and practical way to both practice it and to use it. Hi, I'm Thomas Michaud from Real Guitar Success. If you're new here, go ahead and sign up for my YouTube channel. That way I can get you some more lessons so you can learn how to play with confidence, connect with others, and have fun. Scales are an important part of learning to play guitar. They help train your fingers to go to the notes that you hear in your head. And of course, they're a crucial part of learning to improvise. The A pentatonic scale, the A minor pentatonic scale, is by easily the most popular scale for most guitarists to learn, and usually the one they learn first. In fact, sometimes the only one they learn. It's used in rock and blues prolifically, and also in country and in jazz. In this video, I'll show you how to play the A minor pentatonic scale step by step. Then I'll show you a fun way to practice it that'll help it become natural for you. Then finally, if you're ready, I'll show you a lick that you can use with the scale to help you learn to improvise. It's going to be fun. In the end, stay to the end, I'll make sure that you get a free jam track that you can use to play along with, to practice with. It'll make it more fun, but also to improvise with if you like. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at my left hand. Now, as far as the right hand goes, just do straight down picking just to get the notes. Don't worry about anything fancy for now. We're going to start with the first finger on the 5th fret, and then I'm going to go up 3 frets to the 8th fret. So this is 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th. I'm going to use my pinky. For some, it might be a little bit of a stretch, but it's something you get used to. So we'll start off with the first note and then the second note. I'm going to call this 1 and 4, the pinky, the 4 finger, and then we'll be doing 1 on the 5th fret and 3 with the 3rd finger. All the notes will either be 1 and 3 or 1 and 4. Let's start over. 1, 4 on the 8th fret. Next door, 5th string, 1 and 3. Next comes the 4th string, 1 and 3. The first finger is always on the 5th fret. Next string, 3rd string, 1 and 3. Now we're going back to 1 and 4 on the 2nd string. And then finally on the 1st string, 1 and 4. Now that's all the notes in the scale. Let's go back down, starting with the pinky, the 4 to 1, and then to the 2nd string, 4 and 1. That's the 8th fret, down to the 5th fret. Now 3 and 1, 3rd string, to 1. Another 3 and 1 on the 4th string. 3 and 1 on the 5th string. And then 4 and 1 on the final 6th string. Now let me play it for you again without me talking, to show you what it looks like. And now one more time, a little faster. That's a movable scale, by the way. The A is the first note here on the 6th string, 5th fret. If you were to move that around to a different note, the scale would be that note. So for example, if I moved it from A to G, 2 frets down, that would be a G pentatonic, minor pentatonic. So try that with me once. Just go nice and slow, and I will call out the numbers of the fingers. So this will be 1, this will be 3, and this will be 4. We're going to start with 1 and 4. Try it with me now. Got your guitar? Come on, don't worry. It's just me and you. Nobody's watching. Here we go. Ready, start. 1, 4. Next, 1 and 3. Then comes 1 and 3. Yes? Okay, 1 and 3 again. Now we're going to 1 and 4. And 1 and 4. Now let's try going backwards. Start with the 4 here. Pinky, ready, go. 4 and 1. 3 and 1. Now 3 and 1. 3 and 1. And 4 and 1. Very good. So that's the basic scale. And of course, start very slow, just single down picking. Try going from the low string to the high string first till you get comfortable with that. Not perfect, just comfortable. And then try going the other way and then go back and forth, up and down. This, by the way, would be going up higher in strings, and down would be going back down from the high string to the low string. So once you get comfortable with that, try this lick. This is a standard lick, or I should say a pattern, that is a lick in and of itself that you can use when improvising. And it's a good exercise to practice. Now, the reason I say it's a standard pattern is because that same pattern can be moved around to different notes. So for example, it's the same pattern. Same pattern, just starting with different notes, and they all work. If you're playing in the key of A, and the scale is in the key of A, that pattern will work starting on just about any note. So let's break that pattern down a little bit. We're going up a note, then back down, and then we go down 2 when we go back. So we go, start here, go up a note, now back 2. Now up 1, back 2, up 1, back 2, and then up 1. And we'll stop there. So the lick is. So try that with me just very slow. And I'll call up the fingers, the 1 and 4. Here we go. Ready, start. 1, 4, 1, 4 in the next string. Back up 1, back to 4, down to 1, up 4, back down to 1, over the next string to 3, up 1, and that's where we'll land. Again. Okay, so practice those 2, the scale first, of course. If you're ready, practice the lick. Now, I want to show you an example of what it sounds like with a jam track. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now faster. Now I've written out the notes and tabs for this scale for you to download and to follow. I want to make sure you get the pattern right, so I encourage you to watch that download, the sheet, a couple of times as you practice it, just to make sure you get the fingering properly. And also, I've created a jam track that you can download for free and practice along with. It'll make it a lot more fun and also help you with your timing. I'll put a link in the description for you to be able to get that. Thanks for hanging out with me in this video today. Is this the first time for you with the scale, or is it a review for you? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks. See you soon.